On me.
Broke him.
Got your back,
Team
mate.
wipe that
Nice.
guy.
Yep. Still got the team.
Be advised, friendly precision airstrike inbound.
Eliminated.
Planting Claymore.
I was not expecting that.
Hostile
Kick their
down.
ass. Stand by for redeployment.
Mark the target.
Just saying. Isn't that kilo better than them?
Yeah, yeah.
He's got plates by the guy he
Scrub
just
the
killed.
contract. You've got gas moving in.
We should head to the
Be
safe
right.
zone.
Less than 5 to
Team
go.
wipe.
Bring over the
Full team.
Holy
Gas
shit!
closing in.
That was a bad idea.
You've got gas moving in.
One left.
You've got gas moving in.
One left.
Airship.
That's a win.
Contact red roof.
Movement.
See him?
Right here somewhere.
Movement.
Inside the building, I believe.
Enemy cluster strike.
Cluster
incoming.
strike.
Take cover.
Cluster.
Mark cluster.
Paul's dead.
Nah, I thought he made it.
This guy shot me with
Whoa!
The Gulag. Survive and you can redeploy. Win here and you return to the front line.
Bravo,
Lose, your
those
fight
guys.
is over. Time to earn your freedom, soldier.
Planting Claymore.
I was not expecting that.
Hostile
Kick their
down.
ass. Stand by for redeployment.
That was bullshit, man.
It's okay, you should have seen us. We came up around the corner and they came up to the top of the building and lit us up. Oh, lit me up. I don't know.
The guy shot me 2 times with the AR, and my helicopter blew up.
Marks.
You've got gas moving in. Be advised, your teammate got their ass kicked. They're RTB at this time.
Everyone to the safe zone now.
Supply box identified. Marking location now.
There we go.
Teammate has been cleared for redeployment.
SMG located.
Well, Brains, if it makes you feel any better, you're not picking.
Oh well.
I didn't do shit.
LMG located.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Not over yet.
Objectives updated. Move to the next location.
Nice. Where is that?
Underneath you. Second floor, probably.
Contract updated. New objective identified.
Ha!
Supply box is found.
Nice.
Solid work.
Nice work.
Sounds good to me. Pick him up.
Enemy
Yeah.
UAV
You want to go to
overhead.
Twin Towers?
Which do you think is less likely to die?
Twin Towers. Because we flew over it, no one was there, no one was from the south, and no one was from the east.
Enemy UAV overhead.
That team that killed us from the south, I think they're gonna push elsewhere. Yeah, they're to the right now. Oh shit. No, there's snipers up there now.
You've got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Fuck. Gonna try to get this bounty.
Loadout drop headed your way. Objective is to eliminate the bounty target.
Heard someone. They're pushing up.
He's savable.
You're all right, mate. You're all right.
You just got kicked out of Discord again.
God damn it. Are you serious?
Heading this way.
You've got gas moving in.
I'll take it. Target right
Fucking
here.
Discord. I'm back.
Target
Yep.
right here.
I'm almost out of ammo completely.
What do you need?
There's a whole team next to me.
AR.
Whole
Oh.
team.
Taking shots.
Don't worry, you'll make it.
Close the fucking door. Jesus. I have 22 rounds total.
What do you need?
AR.
AR. Yep, I got AR for you.
Only 25 left. Keep up the good work.
That's bad, it's gas. Probably try to hit police. Ammo. Somebody just got shot over here, I think.
Gas is inbound.
there's a guy at gas
Marking new
station.
safe zone.
Hostile. Move in position.
Getting shot from behind.
Somebody else is choking a gas.
Mark the target.
Mark the target.
I have. Yeah.
One's in police. He's almost dead.
Yeah.
That guy's
I,
got a satchel. Pick it up.
I have no fucking rounds.
Got gas moving
I got
in.
a little bit now.
I got AR.
Yeah.
I got AR for you.
We should head to the safe zone.
Why aren't you using the other gun?
He's in the window.
Just saying. Isn't that kilo better than them?
Yeah, yeah.
He's got plates by the guy he
Scrub
just
the
killed.
Contract.
I'm watching window.
No, I know, but don't you need a satchel?
Movement.
Oh, they moved.
He's got to be on the roof. Oh, he went out
Nope,
the back.
he's on the
He's
outside.
got
He's in
gas.
the gas. Coming around. Right in the cubby.
Marking new safe zone.
He's broke.
He's
Where?
broke pretty bad.
Left cubby. There you go.
Don't worry, you'll make it.
I got 7 plates. You need some?
I have 2 right now. Could use
Did you
some,
get the
I guess.
satchel from outside the building on the other
I
side?
did. I did.
Yeah.
Here.
Oh, I know.
Here.
The other, no, the other satchel.
Shake it off.
Less than 10 enemies remain.
Probably the one that you finished had a satchel too.
Gas is closing in.
Guy had a fennec and a gas mask.
We should head to the safe zone.
I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna try it. Hey, Craig 6 any good?
On the roof. He's on the roof.
Move.
I'm taking fire.
He might.
You'll make it. Just
Put the
hang
work
on.
in.
Yeah, too bad his shit landed up there.
2 teams left.
Yeah. One team straight in front of us, one to the right.
Brains, you got any plates?
I am totally out now.
Fuck, someone's...
Give us a circle. Give
Gas
us a
is
circle.
closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
That gives you circle.
Yep.
You've got gas moving in.
We should head to the
Be
safe
right.
zone.
Let's survive the zone.
Wipe.
Bring over the
Full
win.
team.
I'm taking fire.
Dropping plates.
Drop the ammo.
Waiting.
These guys are gonna pop right over. Most likely. Holy shit! That was a bad idea.
Gas moving in.
One left.
One's not. There you go.
Ah, yeah.
Nice work, gentlemen.
I didn't do shit.
That's not true. You got 100.
Wait a minute. JT with 171 damage.
Yeah.
No kidding.